Hello everyone, we are pleased to present our innovation and change proposal for Amazon Group 4. Our project focuses on one of Amazon's most important strategic challenges, how the company can continue expanding its use of robotics and artificial intelligence while ensuring that its workforce successfully adapt to these technological changes. Today, we will explain our proposed human-robot collaboration model, discuss how it can be implemented successfully, and demonstrate how it can support Amazon's long-term competitiveness, innovation, and organizational sustainability. Amazon is recognized as one of the world's leading technology and e-commerce companies through significant investment in robotics, artificial intelligence, and automation. Amazon has transformed warehouse operations, improved logistics efficiency, and enhanced customer service. However, rapid technological advancement has also created organizational challenges. Employees have experienced increasing concerns about job security, workplace safety, and adapting to new technology. These issues show that successful innovation depends not only on technology itself, but also on how efficiently organizations prepare and support their people. For this reason, our proposal focuses on creating a stronger collaboration between employees and intelligence technology, rather than viewing automation as a replacement for human workers. Our analysis identified that Amazon's greatest challenge is balancing technological innovation with workforce adoption. Although automation has improved productivity, employees often struggle to adjust to changing job roles, new technologies, and increasing digital expectations. In this gap between technology and workforce capability continues to grow, Amazon may experience higher employee turnover, reduced engagement, implementation delays, and reputation risks. Therefore, we believe Amazon's future competitive advantage depends on not only on the investing the advanced technology, but also on investing in employee capability and organizational learning. Our environmental analysis identified several important external factors influencing Amazon's innovation safety strategy. From a political and legal perspective, governments are increasing workplace safety regulations and paying closer attention to the responsible use of artificial intelligence. Economically, Amazon faces rising operating costs and intense competition from companies such as Walmart, Temu, and Shein, creating continuous pressure to improve operational efficiency. Socially, employees increasingly expected opportunities for career development, continuous learning, and psychological safety at the same time. Rapid advances in robots and AI create significant opportunities for innovation and also require organizations to continuously reskill their workforce. These external pressures demonstrate that future success requires balancing technological progress with responsible workforce development. To address these challenges, we propose a human-robot collaboration model or HRCM, unlike traditional automation strategies that mainly focus on replacing manual labor or model positions. Technology as a tool that enhances human capability. The model consists of three key pillars. The first is the job redesign, where robots perform repetitive tasks while employees focus on higher value activities, such as problem solving and decision making. The second pillar is continued workforce development, achieved by expanding Amazon's Future Ready 2030 learning innovative through ongoing training in AI, robotics, and digital skills. The third pillar encourages employee participation by involving staff in workshops, innovation forums, and digital feedback platforms, ensuring employees actively contribute to technology implementation. Together, these three pillars create a more resilient, skilled, and future ready workforce while supporting Amazon's long term innovation strategy.
Good morning, everyone. So now I'm going to start with slide 7, strategic objectives. After identifying Amazon's key challenges, our next step was to define the strategic objectivities of the proposed human robot collaboration model. This initiative is designed to achieve five key objectives. First, it aims to improve operational efficiency by allowing employees and intelligent technologies to work together more efficiently. Robots can perform repetitive tasks while employees focuses on activities that require judgment, creativity, and problem solving. Second, the model strengthens workforce capability through continuous learning and professional development, ensuring employees have the skills needed to work in an increasingly digital environment. Third, it seeks to increase employee engagement by residing job, expanding career development opportunities, and encouraging active participation in organizational change. The fourth objective is to reduce organizational risk by improving communication, workforce capability, and change management, helping minimize resistance and operational disruption. Now, the slide 8, strategic alignment and competitive advantage. Our proposal also aligns closely with Amazon's long term business strategy. Amazon has already invested heavily in robotics, artificial intelligence, and digital infrastructure. However, technology alone is no longer enough to create a lasting competitive advantage. Therefore, the real source of competitive advantage lies in how effectively Amazon combines advanced technology with a skilled, adaptable, and engaged workforce. The human robot collaboration model transform workforce development into a strategic asset by improving organizational learning, employee resilience, and long term performance. Now I'll start slide 9, transformational leadership. Successfully implementing the initiative requires more than technological investment. It also requires leadership that inspires employee to embrace change. For the reason we recommend adopting transformational leadership. Transformational leaders communicate a clear vision and help employees understand that automation is designed to enhance human capability rather than replace people. Leaders should also promote continuous learning by encouraging participation in Amazon's Future Ready 2030 program, providing coaching and recognizing innovation and collaboration. Equally important is creating physiological safety where employees feel comfortable sharing ideas, raising concern, and contributing to continuous improvement without fear to negative consequence. So now I'm going to start with slide and adaptive leadership. While transformational leadership provides the vision, adaptive leadership helps Amazon manage the uncertainty associated with organizational change. Human robot collaboration requires employees to develop new skills, adopt new responsibilities, and adjust to different ways of working. They also promote organizational learning by testing new ideas, pilot project, evaluating outcomes, and applying lesson learned across fulfillment centers. This flexible approach enables to Amazon to continuously improve both its technology and its organizational processes while reducing implementation risk. So now I'm going to start with slide 11, leadership summary. By combining transformational and adaptive leadership, Amazon can successfully manage both the human and technical aspects of organizational change. Transformational leadership provides employees with a clear vision and motivation, while adaptive leadership gives the organization the flexibility to respond to changes as they arise. Together, these leadership approaches help build trust, strengthen workforce capability, and support successful collaboration between employees and intelligent technologies. These leadership foundation prepares Amazon for the next stage of implementation, which includes change management, stakeholder engagement, and risk management. I will now hand over to our next presenter who will explain how these strategies can be successfully implemented across the organization.
Hello, my name is Radip Solanki. Today I am presenting communication strategy. Communication is one of the next slide is stakeholder engagement. So the next slide is resistance management. The next slide is risk management. The final
Now I'll explain how our human-robot collaboration. To successfully implement this model, Amazon needs. Our team recommends 5 key actions for Amazon. First, in conclusion, our proposal shows that technology. This slide lists the academic books, journal articles,